Good afternoon, everybody. Just giving a quick update on our progress from this morning. It's been a slow move, but let's see what we've been working with thus far. Check out the Robinhood account. I ended up selling those call puts that I had a contract for 70 apiece, and I had three of them. And I'm currently in the process of three more right now. So my high for the day is 305, and currently in the process, and it just went down to 273. So I'm down some. This contract that I purchased, it isn't up until the 22nd, but I plan on selling this today as one of my day trades. So if I'm able to get uh, my contract amount up to around 70 cent, that's my target goal, to sell it around 70 cent. Um, it should give me about what's that? About a $21 gain for today, and then I would start working on a plan for tomorrow to be a little bit more aggressive. Checking on my how many day trades I have left. I should have one opening up on, oh, both of these should open up on a Thursday. Nope. One opens up on a Thursday, the other one opens up next Tuesday. Since Monday is a holiday, the stock market will not be open. They're closed on all bank holidays. Still have the buying power of $111, so I didn't risk everything that I have in this specific portfolio. I risked about $189. So that's the update for today. Checking on any news that happened since this morning when I was last on. U.S. retail stocks. U.S. stocks open higher after retailers post their earnings. Looks like Apple was up and Google was up right now. Apple was up 1.5%. Google was almost up 2.5%. Top movers for today is Cornet. They're up by 31%. Might have to check them out, see what they do. Green Plains, they're up 27%. This biotherapeutic company called Atara, they're up 26%. Pharmaceutical company Satsuma, they are up 26% as well. So I want to check out Karma, see what they do. Karma founded in 2002. Their headquarters is in a place I cannot pronounce. That means they are not in the United States. Um, oh, they develop engines and other devices attached to apparel, textile industry, printing solutions, and looks like they're big in apparel. The company was founded 2002 and the headquarters are Raj in Israel. Oh, so this is a Israeli company. Why Alright, Cornet Digital stock is trading high today. This was from the Benzinga. Shares trading higher on Wednesday following first quarter earnings release. Yeah, so something that we always said about the around the earnings release for the quarter, businesses, their stock tends to go up, and then shortly after their stock tends to do like a hill, slowly go down to a rest spot. So I don't really know a lot about this company. I just know says Needham maintained a buy rate and raised the stock price target. It was hovering around $31 per share, and now it's at $46 per share following their quarterly release. Normally, the companies tends to make a up climb right before the reading of the earnings, and then after the readings of the earnings, it starts to go down. In this case, the reading of the earnings happened, and then it went up. So it's still going up right now. Check out them last week. Oh yeah. So last week they were hovering around $28, $29 a share, and then one day they jumped up to 33, and then this week they've been hovering in between $33 and $36, and then today, beginning at the opening bell at 9:30, they started out around $45 per share, opening up. Oh no, it says they open up at $41.50 a share today, and their high today is $47.68. So big up to this company, they doing it. Says people that ended up investing in this stock also bought stock in Microsoft, new residential investment, Alibaba, and Disney. Surprised Disney is down today. Well, no surprise really, but with their digital streaming, you'd think they'd be up a little bit. So, let's check out another leader today. Green Plains is at 28%. Their stock is trading at $8.86 a share. So this is a fuel company. Green Plains engages in the product of fuel grade ethanol and corn oil, provision of grain handling and storage, commodity market, and distributing services. So this is another fuel service, alternative fuel service as well. This doesn't seem like a bad company to invest in, since they do the alternative fuel services using corn, oil, and ethanol grade. So let's see when it's a good time to invest in this company, just with the mathematics that we know about. If their 52-week high is $16 and around 50 cents, we take 30% of that. How I get that 30% is I take 16.49 multiply that by 30%, that is roughly almost almost five. So if I subtract $5 away from their weekly high, since I rounded up to $5 on their weekly high, I'm gonna round up to 16.50 on their weekly high. Subtract $5, $11. So a great buy to invest in this company is anything below $11.50. And where are they trading at right now? $8.88. So anytime that it's below $11 is a good time to buy this specific stock and hold it for a time. Hold it for a time. Now the next question is, um, since they've been uh, open since 2004, they was founded in 2004. Next question would be, um, is this a company that's been going down and hasn't been able to rise back up? And we could view the 5-year chart to see what their highs were then. If they always been around that $15 mark. So we look at 2016, look like their highest mark was around $28 a share. 2015, $32 a share. So it seems like every year they've been going down. 2016, let's see, the highest point in 2017 looked like it might have been right here, $25 a share. 2018, highest mark, $20 a share. And then 2019, the highest mark was $17 a share. And then 2019 or 20 this year, it's not over yet, but so far the highest this year they have been was in February, $13 a share. So this is a company that's on the decline. So if they was to rise above their 52-week high, this would be a good company to invest in. But I don't think they're going to get past, based off of the pattern year by year, looking over the 5 years, doesn't look like they're going to get back above this $16.49 margin. So that's one thing that you have to weigh out. You have to weigh out that type of risk when you're about to invest in a company like such. So just giving a quick update. Let me refresh the screen. See if the option has moved or not. If not, I'll check back in tomorrow and give you guys an update. Hasn't moved that much, so it's still an hour and 10 minutes left in the trading day. If it doesn't sell by then, I'll sell it tomorrow, and I'll still save my day trade, so I'll use that day trade for tomorrow. And I will try to maximize as much growth tomorrow. With tomorrow being Thursday, I really don't like to buy trades on a Friday, but since tomorrow is a next week is a 4 day week, looks like I'll be doing I might consider trading on a Friday. I normally don't touch it, but I might consider it. So